Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use custom links in WordPress menu. Let's log in into our WordPress website. Here you can enter your details. After that, in the dashboard, scroll down. Now we can find out appearance menu. Here you can see in the menu section, these are the categories. Product categories here you can see on the left side. So now if you want to use custom links, just click here. Now here in the URL section we can add any link. For example, I can copy a page link, go to pages, then I can copy here you can see copy link address. Now add in the URL section, and link text I can write about. Then click here add to menu. Then we can drag it on the first position and I can remove this one. Then click here save menu. So let's refresh the page. Here you can see we have added a custom link in the very first option. So now if you don't have created any page and want to use this one, just you can add hash in the URL section. After that you can give a text, for example contact. After that you can replace this URL with the contact page link. So in this way you can easily use custom links in WordPress website menu.